So, Sharman? Is that how we say it? Sharman? Hey, Sharman, good morning. How are you?
Well, how are you doing?
Fantastic. Where are you calling from today?
From San Pedro.
Okay, San Pedro, beautiful area. Are you ready to play What's That Noise?
I'm ready.
Do you want some small talk in the beginning here?
No.
We need the small talk. We did this last hour too because if we're going to give you $50,000, $50,500, we have to make sure, we want to feel good about it. If you do win this thing, we want to know it's going to the right person.
Yeah, and just, even if you're not a great person, pretend you are a good person so we feel good about it, all right?
We'll keep it really small talk.
Okay, well, I can tell you one thing. Do you remember going to the Lion King some years back with Mark Wallingren?
Do I? Who did it? Did I do it? Oh, yes, the Pantages, right, yes.
Yeah, okay. He was talking to the friend I was with, and then you were standing there, but I was afraid to say hi to you because you just looked so serious.
Did you say hi to me?
No, because you looked so serious. I was afraid to say anything.
Well, that's not fun small talk,
No.
is it? You should have said hi. I'm not a very serious person. They can attest to that in the studio.
Okay.
Well, hi. Did you like The Lion King?
I did.
Okay, a review of something from 4 years ago. Well, listen, let's play What's That Noise?
Okay.
Up for grabs, $50,500. What would you do with the money if you won?
I need to pay off my credit cards.
That's going to pay him off, I think, right?
Most of them.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
You've been going to see some plays. You've been doing some living. All right, here's how it's going to work. We're going to play that noise. And I assume you checked out the clues on the website and everything?
Yes, I did.
Okay, we'll play the noise. You have 10 seconds to identify what it is. If you get it correct, Sharman from San Pedro, you will win $50,500. Here comes your noise.
Brought to you by Paula Casino Spa and Resort.
104.3 MYfm.
All right, here it is. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here it comes. All right, 10 seconds on the clock for $50,500. Sharman, what's that noise?
Is it when you insert or take out the lint trap of the dryer?
You got that in there right under the 10-second time limit.
Insert or take out
That lint trap part of the dryer?
the thing that's in the front or something like that you're talking about?
The clothes dryer, yes.
The clothes dryer, right. Insert or take out the lint trap in the dryer. Sharman,
Yes.
that's right.
Yes!
$50,500. Sharman, you got 50 grand!
Woo!
Congratulations!
Thank you so
Sharman!
much! Yesterday's clue.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's good. That was the one that Jill made up.
button.
Belly button.
Lynn, we thought everyone would get it with yesterday's clue that Jill came up with.
And you said hot, I knew it was that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job, Sharman.
Sharman,
50 grand, man.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Keep screaming. No, don't be
you
sorry.
keep going. You're going to be part of a promo later on. Keep going here. Scream all you want.
This has been well over a month of this one noise.
Yes.
Has it been?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Sharman, this is the largest jackpot in What's That Noise history.
I never played this because I never get through. I said, let me try today. Oh my God.
Oh, thank you to Paula Casino Spa and Resort for making this happen. This is so big.
The lint trap, man.
I can't wait to call him.
So where do you work? What do you do for a living?
I work at a warehouse. I do maintenance.
Okay. You think they're listening right now?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Do you think they're listening at work right now?
I hope not. I don't know.
She doesn't want anybody to know she's going to play. She wants to
Go
keep
on the
this.
lamb.
She wants to change her name right now and hit the road. She's on a burner. She's going to throw the phone away.
I go to work today.
No,
Sharman.
take the day off,
You
Sharman.
got to take the day off. Jill's right. You got $50,500.
Oh my God.
Go shopping with those credit cards.
So now what we'll do is we'll take our video of us actually creating that noise and put it up on Instagram and our website so everyone can see us making that noise for
Yeah.
validation purposes.
Okay.
But I can't believe you got it.
Thank you guys, and I went on your show.
Yay!
Yes!
We have a winner!
Guys, we're part of a promo now!
Did it!
Because they're going to play this audio later on throughout the day and they'll put it together in a big production and stuff and you'll be on the air with us.
Okay, with my big old scream.
Oh,
Thank
man.
you.
Hey, I'm going to pull the music down. I want you to let out one last great $50,000 scream. Go ahead. That's gotta feel pretty good, man. That's gotta feel pretty good. Should we do it with her on the count of 3, maybe? The entire room, everyone scream, top of your
Okay.
lungs, interns, come on. Brian?
It's gonna get very loud.
All right, here we go. It's gonna get really loud. Everybody get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hot damn! Woo! Sharman, hang on. We gotta make sure you haven't won in the past 60 days. No, teasing, hang on.
Thought that I've been